Hi my beauties, how you all doing? So welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how and things you will turn on to make YouTube recommend your videos. Okay, now this feature works. If it doesn't make them recommend your long form videos, it will make them recommend your short form videos. So this is just to make sure that you have not by yourself turn off your visibility, or your visibility is turned off and you don't know, and you're probably wondering, you're uploading shorts, you're not getting views, you're uploading long form videos, you're not getting views. In every channel these days, YouTube is working a lot and releasing a lot of features, so it might affect some channels. Some channels are being affected. When they get views, you will see 500 views and you'll be seeing 2000k likes, and you'll be wondering how. All those things are YouTube is at work. So now if your long form videos or short form videos is not getting views, you have to go and check these places I'm about to show you, okay, and know if they are the way they are supposed to be. So we'll get right into the video. My name is Amazing Queen. If you're coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because you're going to know a lot from this video. It's actually a new feature that they released, and yeah, I'll also be dropping more content, more videos on how you can make your short videos go viral. Okay, things you would do to make your short videos go viral. These things are features that YouTube has released to make it easier for creators to create and earn. Okay, yeah, you get more subscribers, you get more watch hours. Don't forget, you can earn money with shorts, you can also earn money with long form videos. Do anyone that works for you. Alright, so let's go straight into the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel if you're coming across my video for the first time. Okay, bye. Let's go into the video.
Okay, my people, so let's open my YouTube Studio app, my YT Studio app. So we have come to the YouTube Studio app. So look up here, up there, you will see where you have a plus sign circled and a bell sign. Then this is your tiny profile there. That is the one you're going for. Okay, you click on it. When you click on it, it opens this way. Your name, switch account, Google account, and all that. Then you look up here where you have your name. My name is Amazing Queen Lifestyle, right? There's a pen icon there. There is a pencil icon there, right? You click on that pencil, that pen icon. You see that? You click on it and then allow it to open. Once it opens like this, here is where you can edit your name if you want to change your name. If you want to change the handle, what people will tap search for and get you, your description, then you add any link. If you want to link your Facebook, your TikTok, your other social media apps to your profile, there where you have add links, that's where you will add them. But where we are going for is this home tab. You see where they wrote home tab? Yes, that is where we are going for. You click on it. When you click on this home tab, it opens like this. Are you seeing that? Home tab, show viewers channel, show your channel home tab to highlighted and showcase content for your audience. You turn it on. If you turn it off, your content will not be shown to your audience. That's number one. Number two, they say for you, YouTube recommends your content based on viewers interest, right? Now here, the last one, you have products from your store. That one is when they say display a section that features products from your store. That one is a different thing, but where we are going for is for you. Okay, now they say YouTube recommends content based on viewers interest is on. If you turn it off, your content won't be recommended. Now, in case you're the type that choose the kind of content that should be recommended, you see where they wrote more settings. Did you see where they wrote more settings? You will click on this more settings. If you tap on it, to open like this. Are you seeing where you have video? They said content type. That's the content type that are recommended. You have videos, short, and live streams, which are the three major content types on YouTube, right? So if you off any of these things, if you turn off any of these things, YouTube will not recommend your video again. That particular, if it is live stream or shorts or videos, it won't be recommended again. So in case these things are turned off, go to your studio now, check if these things are turned on. Maybe that's why your videos are not getting recommended. Now you see where they wrote all content bracket recommended. YouTube regularly update the for you section with fresh content. So that means you should keep uploading. For some people, they will upload that time and their video will get views that time. But for some, they will upload, you see that that video will start doing well after 2 weeks, 1 month, or even after 3 months. That's when that video will start doing well. That's when YouTube push it to people on their For You tab to watch. So don't get discouraged. Now they said the kind of content that should be recommended. If you tap on this now, they will recommend, that's content you have posted in the last 12 months. Only content you have posted in the last 12 months. Some people, content they posted 10 years ago, all of a sudden started doing well this 2025. This 2025 and started making money for them. So don't do that. Just leave it there. Okay? Yeah, these are the settings you should check for. If they are on like this, maybe that is why your videos are not getting recommended. So this, with these settings on, even if you post that time and you don't get view, do not get discouraged. Okay, YouTube would definitely push your videos to more people to watch. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section, have you checked this your home tab? Are all your recommendation tools on? Have you turned them on? If you haven't, rush now and go and turn them on. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching and bye bye.